Hello, children. Now we are just going to do a very important part of our writing section in class 11th and 12th, that is advertisements. You must have seen advertisements in newspaper, in Times of India, in Tribune, in your local daily newspaper. There are classified advertisement as come as display advertisement. Now, what are the value points? What is the type format that we are going to read today? Just introduction of advertisements. Advertisement you must have seen on TV also, newspaper also, magazines, radio, cinema. Basically, these are about the products, services, or idea. Nowadays, so you must have seen many advertisement related to health department also because of COVID. Advertisements influence people, their mindset, their taste and motives. Many times we just get lured by the advertisement given by the film stars. You know very well about that. Maybe they are using those products or not, but we just get lured. We simply get attracted towards those advertisements. So they are a very powerful tool for promoting sales or services, and we need to take every effort to make an advertisement effective and articulated. So in 11th and 12th, basically writing section is different. Here you find poster, advertisements, invitation, which is different from class 9th and 10th. So coming to, as I told earlier also, types of advertisements. Newspaper, when you have Sunday Times, so just go to the last page, you find the whole page covered with small advertisements, right? These are classified advertisement. Why classified? Because they are having a particular place and we are paying for per word. Okay, and display advertisements are different, that are as come as poster. But classified advertisements are small messages in a separate section of a newspaper or magazine. These messages do not include any examples. So there are different types of classified which we are going to do now. First of all, before getting to know about the different types of advertisement, I will just let you know the tips which you have to remember always, because these are the value points. These are included in the marking scheme. A classified advertisement must be written in a box, and the type of advertisement should be written at the top of the box. Means whether it is situation vacant, situation wanted, whatever the type of advertisement is, you have to write it on the top of the box. Write only relevant information. Okay, first of all, don't use full sentences and try to keep it limited, because you are paying for words, one word. Use only words and phrases, not the complete sentence, and keep your language concise, simple, formal and factual, right? And your detail, contact detail, it is also compulsory to be mentioned, which you will mention at the end. And the prescribed word limit should be 50 words, which you should not exceed. Now coming to the type of classified advertisement. Situation vacant. Okay, this is given by the organization when they are in need of the employee. So what exactly is the post that you have to include? First, use the punching word wanted. Okay, always remember, when you are giving the situation vacant advertisement, start with wanted. Now mention the name of the post and number of vacancies, qualification and minimum experience required, which kind of job it is, what is the gender, what is the age limit, and what exactly are the requirement for the candidates, plus the pay scale and perks and mode of payment which they are doing. Last, as I told, your contact address and name, and keep this advertisement in box. Coming to situation wanted. Now what is the difference between vacant and wanted? Vacant is given by the employer, those who are in need of employees. But when I am talking about wanted, an individual who is looking for a job, he is going to put his job profile in the newspaper, so that he can get the relevant job he is expecting. He is expecting means whatever are your expectation, you are just going to give your profile in the newspaper. That is situation wanted. Coming to the next one, vehicles. You must have seen sale and purchase of vehicles. So when it is sale and purchase, mention the model of the vehicle, okay, year of manufacturing, color, condition of the vehicle, how much mileage done, accessories, and what is the price quoted. Or negotiation is also there. If you can, if you want, you can write there, plus mention your contact number or address. It can be four wheeler also, it can be two wheeler also. Coming to the sale, purchase, and rent, it is given when you are saying sale purchase. It can be a flat also, it can be office also, it can be bungalow, shop. So you just have to mention the punching word wanted or available, which type of accommodation is there, what is the area or plot, whether it is 2 bhk, 3 bhk, whatever it is, location and detail of the surrounding, what are the fixture and fittings, whether it is well furnished, modular kitchen, okay, car parking, well ventilated, east facing, south facing, whatever are your requirement, that is up to sale, purchase, and rent. But make sure it depends wanted or available, whether you are in need of something or whether you want to give your house on rent, okay, or purchase or sell something. Then coming to lost and found, you must have seen many of the things which are lost and found. Sometimes you find something, you're going somewhere and by mistake you find something. Now it is your responsibility to return it back, but you don't know the whereabout of that person. So lost and found, if you lost something, you just write that something is lost in this particular area, what is the color, condition, other particulars, where you have lost it or where you have found it. Or if you are the valuable is so much, you are ready to give the reward. Coming to the matrimonial, this is also very important one, where you are writing about the requirement of bride or bridegroom, okay. So if it is if it is according to that, whether this advertisement is for bride or bridegroom. So age, height, build, educational qualification, nature of employment, caste, religion, if necessary, or sometimes it is written no caste, no bar. So qualities which you require in the partner, that you have to mention, but make sure the punching line you are using means match the alliances for this and that person. If you are looking for a bridegroom, just write about the qualities of the girl and what are your requirement for the boy. So matrimonial, this basically is in, you can see the classified advertisement in Sunday Times. The whole page is full of matrimonial, so you can get more examples from there. Coming to the commodities, suppose you are moving abroad, you are going somewhere and you want to sell means your household goods, you're including furniture, refrigerator, television, crockery, music system. What are the specification of the brand, size, model number, what is the condition, okay, cost and negotiation. So it is up to you when you are selling your commodities. After that, missing person, it can be missing pet also, okay. So when the person is missing, just write the heading missing. So brief physical description of the missing person, like height, complexion, build, name, age, any health related issues about the missing person, whatever the clothes he or she is wearing, accessories last worn by the missing person, where last seen, identifying feature, okay, details of the reward. Similarly, you can tell about the missing pet also, okay. Just tell the breed of the pet and the color, where it was seen last. So it is about the missing person or pet. Coming to the educational institution, you must have seen many of the coaching classes, many of the centers. Now when they give the ad in the classified about their institution, so first they mention the name of the institution, what is their past record, which courses they are offering, where their duration, eligibility criteria, detail of the admission test, fee structure, okay, and the other facilities they are offering. You must have seen the coaching center, okay, scholarship for the meritorious student, early bird, early come. So the way they are just giving, if it is display advertisement, you can add anything you want, but as I told you, these all are the classified. So in classified, we limit the things, we limit the words, okay. And then we say last date for registration and contact details. coming. Thank you so much. This is basically about a few advertisement which you are going for your half yearly. So make sure you remember all these things. Further, we will continue about the other thing if it is added according to the CBSE board. Thank you so much, everybody. Stay happy, stay healthy. God bless you all.